whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak.
Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to try the Paz Batchoy. I've had this in the Philippines, a little bit different where I went because it was up north. This is in the central part of the Philippines that this is from, and it's from a place called Iloilo, and it's actually a marketplace that this dish was created. A guy called Frederick Guillermo, I hope I'm saying that right, in 1938 he was selling soup, broth, and the customers said, can we please have something extra to it? So he added noodles. This is where the Batchoy part came in, and well, this is how it was created. It was pork with noodles. So it's a noodle soup, and in my view, it might just be the best noodle soup in the world. But here we go, let's try it. Wow, that's delicious. The soup itself, very meaty, because of course you've got the fats from the pork, and then you've got the liver, and then you've got the chicharon. It's all blended together, so it makes the soup very meaty, very delicious. It tastes very nourishing. And then of course, who doesn't love chicharon? And if you don't know what chicharon is, it's like pork scratchings from the UK. Yeah, that's what we have. And it's like that, but in my view, it's more delicious because it's less salty. Yeah, it's delicious. Let's try the egg. Let's try the pork. It's tender, delicious. The pork, when it's mixed with the soup, it becomes obviously softer, but it takes in the flavour of the chicharon. Thank you again. I've just splashed it on myself. Einakay. Einakay. So if you're interested in any type of food recipes, please click the subscribe button and give me a like, because that will really help the channel grow. And until next time, Ingat ka. Take care, guys.